Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to set up Power BI reporting server on premises. Okay, part of that thing. So this following softwares or tools are required. Like for example, this following tools or softwares required to set up a Power BI reporting services in on-premises style. Okay, so the first most software is SQL Server Developer Edition. We supposed to develop means like download it. Any latest version will do, so you can follow this link actually. And the second thing is SQL Server Management Studio. We supposed to download it because using that tool we are going to change the properties of SQL Server Developer Edition whatever we install, so that it can be helpful during our Power BI on-premises reporting report server installation and configuration. Because if you don't do the setup and configuration correctly, so here we'll struggle it. Like I'm going to make you very clear, like why we are doing, what is the reason we are doing all those things. I'm going to explain step by step manner. Okay. And finally, Power BI desktop installation to create a own sample desktop, how it's syncing up each other, like from the client server tool when we develop a dashboard, how when you are publishing it in on-premises reporting server, how it is landing into the reporting server, then followed by how to enable the data source with the SQL Server data whatever we are pulling in to syncing up each other, like from the source data to the target Power BI setup. Because internally what happened in Power BI reporting server, it maintains the metadata information for each data say dashboard. So and along with the data also need to be refreshed from source side to the Power BI side, so that it will reflect the latest data at any given point of time. Okay, so all those things we are going to cover up step by step manner. So to begin with, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this SQL Server Developer Edition download. Any latest edition will do in this case. So I'm clicking this. If you just please follow the link. If you follow the link here, if you scroll down all the way below, you can find Developer Edition. Don't select Express Edition because it does not have SQL Server agent capacity. So because that is the most important while you are scheduling it in Power BI server, like, so that is the missing piece. So I recommend to do the SQL Server Developer Edition download. So click the button. So I think, yeah, this is done. So now let us do installation part from this one. Okay, so select the basic thing. I believe you don't need to confuse too much. So anyway, this is for learning purpose, you don't need to take so much hard. Okay, I'm going to keep it in my, okay, I have an space. Okay, let me continue this one. This will take a little while because it will download and install. Let's wait for it. This is close to 1 GB data, so it might take little time. I'm going to pass on this. Let's wait for it. Since the download was taking little while, so I'm not showing up all those things. Like now the download was successful, the installation is in progress. Let's wait for the installation to complete. So now the installation smoothly is happening. Let's hope this installation gets completed. End of the installation, you will see the screen for testing as well to connect the database. Like you can make sure that the database is connecting successfully. Once that is done, in our part 2 video, I'm going to show how to download SQL Server Management Studio and connect the database later. We'll see. Let's wait for this to complete. Yeah, finally the installation have been completed successfully. This is the screen you will see. Installation has completed successfully. Now this is the instance name, the SQL Server Administrator, everything, and this is the SQL Server Engine path where it is installed, and this is the version has been installed. To verify the database has been connected successfully, you can click connect now. You see that the database has been successfully connected. This is the confirmation for you. So now you can exit from it. That's it. Now to continue install SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, the second tool which supposed to install it, will cover up in the part 2 video. I'll catch you soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please hope this video is really helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.